आज 15 नवंबर और 15 नवंबर को प्रत्येक वर्ष हम महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी की जयंती के रूप में मनाते हैं। महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर किसी परिचय के मोहताज नहीं। महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर एक महान शिक्षाविद, एक समाज सेवी, जिन्होंने आजीवन डीएवी विद्यालय के उत्थान और उसके विकास में समर्पित कर दिया। बिहार और झारखंड में लगभग 200 विद्यालय जो आज तरक्की के पथ पर अग्रसर हैं, ये महात्मा जी का ही देन है। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हमारा विद्यालय का एक एक ईंट जो हम देख रहे हैं, जो खड़ा है, और जिस विद्यालय में हम सांस ले रहे हैं, ये महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी की ही देन है। महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी 3 संकल्प, शिक्षा, सेवा और संस्कार, इन 3 संकल्पों को हम हमेशा अपने डीएवी के कल्चर में हमेशा हम आगे लेकर बढ़ते रहते हैं। और डीएवी का ये 3 संकल्प है: शिक्षा, सेवा और संस्कार। महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर ने जो वृक्ष अपनी मेहनत से पूरे भारतवर्ष में डीएवी विद्यालय के रूप में लगाया, आज उसी भी वृक्षों को हम सींच रहे हैं। और इस आशा के साथ जो सपना महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी ने देखा था, उस सपने को हम जरूर एक दिन सच कर दिखाएंगे। प्यारे बच्चों, आज महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी की जयंती पर उस महान आत्मा को हम सत सत नमन करते हैं।
Kerala Standard 12th is going to introduce you all to Mahatma Narayan Das Grover on a special occasion of his birth anniversary. Mahatma Narayan Das Grover was born on 15 November 1923 at Isakil at Pakistan. He obtained his master's degree in chemistry from Punjab University and joined as a lecturer in DAV College, Lahore in 1945. He had the proud privilege to be the founder principal of DAV College, Abohar, Firozapur, Punjab. He adopted the life membership of DAV College, the rare one given to only dedicated soul of Arya Samaj in 1957. He also served as a vice president of DAV CMC, New Delhi. Deeply influenced by Gandhiji's thoughts and philosophy, he established many schools and colleges in Punjab, Haryana, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Orissa. He was lovingly called Chole Wale Baba and reverently Karmyogi. And he was not just only an educationist but also a social reformer and started Sankalp Sarv Shiksha for poor and needy. He also organized free eye camps every year for Adivasis and promoted women education, especially in rural areas. He was a committed worker of Arya Samaj, a true follower of Maharishi Dayanand, and above all, embodiment of selfless services, free from all narrowness, truthful in thoughts, and fearless in action. He left for his heavenly abode on 6 February 2008 after a brief illness. At last, some truths are hard to accept. Your memories will never be forgotten. Those will remain with us forever. A great tribute to such a...
Namaste everyone. I am Yasir Khalik from DAV MTPS, Kati. The reason why I am appearing on screen is to make you remember and remind you about Mahatma Narayan Das Grover. He was born on 15th November 1923 at Isalak in Pakistan, having obtained master degree in chemistry from Punjab University. He joined as a lecturer in DAV College, Lahore, 1945. After the national split, he resumed his service in DAV College, Ambala. He adopted the life membership of DAV Society, the rare one given to only dedicated soul of Arya Samaj in 1957. He served as a vice president of DAV CMC, New Delhi, deeply influenced by Gandhiji. he spread the light of education in every corner of the region wherever he worked. He promoted women education, especially in Adivasi rural areas. He worked on self-dependence of women, initiated vocational training for them to learn and earn. He was a committed worker of Arya Samaj, true follower of Maharishi Dayanand. He had done a lot of work for us. This is something that we must not forget. And lastly, but not least, this was all about him, but unfortunately, he left his heavenly abode on 6th February 2008 at Chandigarh after a brief illness.